Page 31. QNH. Defined as the barometric pressure setting at the station reduced to mean sea level. While still on the ground in controlled airspace, the pilot will select the QNH that ATC supplies to them on frequency by adjusting the subscale setting of their altimeter accordingly until the pressure setting is indicated. Once adjusted to this setting, the needles on the altimeter will indicate the aircraft's height above sea level. This height is also referred to as the elevation for that particular point on the ground. Note that if a pilot is departing from an area such as an uncontrolled airspace where the QNH is not known, then the pilot can adjust the altimeter to indicate the airfield's elevation, if known, and once set, the altimeter's corresponding pressure setting will be indicated in the subscale reference. This accuracy is, however, dependent on that altimeter being correctly calibrated. Once the aircraft is in flight, the pressure setting readout will remain fixed unless adjusted manually at any stage by the pilot. The altimeter's needles will, however, continue to reflect the aircraft's height or altitude as the aircraft climbs or descends. The height with reference to a QNH setting is measured in feet. It is important to note that pressure is measured in hectopascals, and 1 hectopascal is the equivalent of 30 feet in height.